So no element cycles in isolation. You know, we sometimes will talk about the cycles individually, but organic matter is made up of carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus. And how quickly that organic matter decomposes doesn't depend just on the carbon, but also on the nitrogen, phosphorus, and other elements. So one of the really interesting developments just in this last year has been new accounting on how much nitrogen there is in permafrost ecosystems. There's a group out of Germany led by Jens Strauss that have found that the Jedema region contains a huge stock, potentially up to 50 gigatons of nitrogen. That's 50 billion tons of nitrogen that are stored in these permafrost soils. That has big implications for the local ecosystems again, because that can be washed into rivers and then the ocean, where it can affect food webs. Now that the Arctic Ocean isn't covered by ice anymore, if we increase the nutrients, that could have huge impacts on the algae and all kinds of things. Nitrogen is also the precursor of nitrous oxide, which is a greenhouse gas over 100 times more powerful than CO2. And we didn't predict that there would be much nitrous oxide production from the permafrost ecosystem because the surface plants are very limited. They don't have enough nitrogen. So as soon as any is available, they suck it up. But we're seeing nitrous oxide release from many permafrost soils. So that's a very unexpected feedback to climate. We don't know how important it is, you know, but that's one of the things about the permafrost ecosystem. The longer we spend there, the more we realize how little we understand.